Okay, so let's take a look at how you can use a return clause in Neo4J. So first thing, make sure to start Neo4J console by typing in Neo4J space console in command prompt. Okay, now that should open Neo4J browser in port 7474. So let's go there. Localhost 7474. Now here's my query. So this query editor, we are going to extend to few line using shift enter. So let's create one node with properties and then we will use return clause. So let's create, let's say plant, and then family. Let's name this, let's see, sunflower, and year when it was planted was 2020. Okay, now if we try to return this node with its label plant, it should give us our immediate this sunflower node. Okay, so you get the idea. When you wish to return a particular node, you can use a return keyword along with the node. Okay, so here we are using plant as the label of that node, and it will give us that